I am not a hypocrite to tell you that I am not affected by these issues haunting me. Siyempre, we will have to weigh everything.
Pero sir, di ba, national elections yan eh. Yung preparation, usually, it takes 2 years. So
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Well, I've been making the rounds already all over the country. And the reception is still warm.
Pero yung balitang
Nothing has changed.
Pero yung Manila Mayor, malabo yan.
Hindi. Pwede. Sa sa Manila City Jail pagka nakulong, mayor ang tawag doon. Joke lang. Hindi. Impossible. Hindi. I must admit, from when this came out, inaraw-araw kami si Jari, halos 1 buwan, 2 buwan, headline lagi. Siyempre, I was hesitant to go out, no? Especially here in Metro Manila. Sa Senate, obligado ako dahil meron akong trabaho. Pero, siyempre, hindi mo malaman magiging reaksyon ng taong bayan sa'yo pagka nakita ka sa labas. So, ako, umiwas muna ako. I seldom go to parties. Minsan nire-reject ko na yung aking mga imbitasyon para sa akin. So after a few days or a few months, inisip ko rin na bakit ako magkukulong sa bahay. Ganun. I have to test the waters. So ang ginawa ko, I went out of my way to go to the provinces, to accept invitations, to go out and meddle with people. Wala naman din nabago. The reception of the people towards me was warmer than before. So okay lang.
So sir, sa pag-ikot niya sa mga probinsya, non-issue to sa kanila?
It's a non-issue. But I had to explain to them.
Tingin nyo you have enough support, machinery para mag-launch ng national, yung improvised?
Modesty aside, I think so.
Sir, pero sabi mo hintay nyo rin yung decision ng future standard bearer. Kung i-offer sa inyo ni VP Binay, game na.
Most likely. Kung i-offer.
Pero sir,
Kung hindi, ano magagawa ko? Kung i-offer, kung hindi, wala tayong magagawa.